my loves, so welcome back to my channel. This is Ndzally and I'm back again. A happy new year to everybody, compliments of the new year. And today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial using Drugstore products, and I hope you guys will enjoy this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Until next time. To prime my face, I'm gonna be using the Baby Skin Instant Power Eraser from Maybelline. I really love this primer. It really does what they actually say it does. It does erase the pore, it really falls good on the skin, and that's what we're actually looking for in a primer. And also you can feel that you've actually created a protective layer between your face and also the products that you're going to add to your face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the 24 hours super stay foundation from Maybelline. Oh guys, I really love this foundation. It blends so seamlessly. You're going to see for yourself, it really does the job. Look at that coverage, honey. Look at it. And you can see that this concept that says a little goes a long way, it does apply with this foundation. A little bit, just cover up everything. And just to make sure that I blend my hairline to the foundation, I'm using my beauty blender. As you can see that it really does the job. It just diffuse everything instantly, and my hairline, guys, is snatched just like that. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be using the Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee. Just make sure that you don't apply a lot of it, just a little, guys. We're not trying to plaster ourselves or something of that sort, but a little bit to just do the job. And I'm going to be going in with my beauty blender to blend the concealer into my foundation and also my skin, to make sure that everything blends perfectly fine and very nice. Blend that concealer, my girl. Blend it as if there is no tomorrow. And to make sure that there are no harsh lines, I'm gonna be going in with my foundation brush just to make sure. And I'm gonna be contouring my face using the signature stick. It's in the shade Corker. I'm gonna be snatching my cheeks, my forehead, and also my nose. And I'm gonna be going in with my foundation brush just to make sure that everything blends to the skin perfectly. I feel like a brush really works better for me compared to a beauty blender. I really love using my brush compared to a beauty blender. And I'm going to be going in with my flat foundation brush just to make sure that I blend the foundation in my nose. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Benny powder. And just make sure that you dust it as you go if you are setting, but if you're baking, it means that you're gonna leave it for some time there. I really don't like baking my face because it has a tendency of making you a little bit older. And now I am doing my reverse contouring just to make sure that those cheeks, they pop as much as possible. We want them to pop. You know, we can't waste all of that foundation for it not to even show up. No, honey. And it's advisable for you to set your brows if you start with applying the foundation, because your foundations are usually oily. So just to make sure, you should set them so that you can be able to draw your brows nicely. And I'm just gonna be going in, brushing my brows, preparing them for drawing my brows. So guys, I'm not gonna be detailed on how I actually do brows because I've already did a video on how to do your brows. So if you haven't checked it out, please check it out. I'm gonna link the video up here, somewhere up here or down here. So I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to conceal my under eye. When you're done, just use the excess concealer to prep for eyeshadows, and also make sure that you set them afterwards and blend everything nicely. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze to conceal my upper side of the brow. Just take your time and also be careful, because brows just complete the look. They are just everything. And make sure that you blend your brows to your skin, guys. We don't want to have brows that stand out more than your whole facial. We don't want that. Just make sure you blend your brows to your foundation. And to do my eyeshadows, I'm gonna be using the Nudes palette by Maybelline, and also these brushes as you can see them. And now I'm just gonna be patting in a brown matte shade on my crease. I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush to blend in everything. Guys, blend your eyeshadows, blend them. That's the key. And I'm going in with a darker shade for my outer crease. And oh guys, I love what I'm doing. Blend everything until we can really see which color is what and what is what in your eyes. Hey, and now I'm just going to be going in with the same concealer that I use for my under eye to cut my crease. And for you to have a perfect crease and also to know where you're supposed to cut your crease, it's important for you to just put a little bit of concealer, and then you close you close or blink your eye a little bit. It will show you where you're supposed to. And for my crease, I'm gonna be using this whitish gold shade, and yeah, I'm just gonna be patting it in. And also now I'm using the angled brush just to make sure that I don't ruin my crease or my cut crease. And now I'm gonna be using the same fluffy brush that I used for the brown shades, just to make sure that I diffuse the harsh line between my transitioning area where my shimmery shade and my matte shade meet. And I went on and used one of my palettes that I bought from this camp to contour my whole face. I think I've once showcased the palette here on my channel. I'm now going on with my Wow this skin powder to just make sure that I fix my face everywhere where there is some creasing. I just fix everything, like the whole facial. And of course, I did my eyeliner off camera. And now I went on and lined my lips using one of my brow gels, and I'm gonna be creating some ombre effect with this nude lipstick also. One thing I love about nude lipsticks is the fact that they really look good on each and every one of us as long as you apply them nicely. And they also give you that natural look. Why not, honey? And to do my blush and also to highlight my face, I'm gonna be using this dreamy palette that I got from Clicks for 65 rand, of course. So I'm gonna be using these two shades and the ones that I've already shown you guys. And I love this palette, although that you have to fight for the pigment, but the pigment is there as long as you're being patient. One thing I love about the highlight is the fact that it's not chunky. It really blends into your skin nicely and give you that natural look that you're looking for. Even you want to beat your face up to that far, you know, it can give you that pigment that you're looking for. And that's it from me, guys. This is my look. Thank you for watching. I love you. Mwah. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel.